Ready to create a super useful custom online form that's organized right within your OneDrive? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to build a form from scratch using OneDrive and Excel. And by the end, you'll be able to gather information, registrations, feedback, or just about anything efficiently, with all your results saved right where you need them. Let's dive in. First, we need to get to OneDrive. If you're on the Office 365 homepage or pretty much anywhere within your Microsoft account, look towards the top left corner of your screen for the app launcher. That's the little grid of 9 dots. Give that a click and you'll see a whole menu of Office apps pop up. Go ahead and choose OneDrive. If you haven't used it before, it's basically the file hub of your Microsoft universe, storing all your important documents in the cloud so you can grab them from anywhere. Now, once you're inside OneDrive, let's start building the form. At the top, you'll spot a New button. This is your gateway to creating all sorts of files, but for our form, click New, and from the drop-down list, select Excel Survey. You might notice there are options like Word or PowerPoint, but Excel Survey is the magic one for forms. Once you select it, an Excel file will instantly open in your browser. Here, you'll be greeted by a prompt to give your survey or form a name and a description. Take a moment with this. The name is not just what your participants will see, but it's also how you'll find this form later in your OneDrive. So pick something clear and direct. For the description, you can give a little context or instructions, which is really helpful if people are filling out your form for the first time. Now, let's start adding questions. You'll see an Add New button. Click that to start crafting your form questions one by one. Microsoft gives you a bunch of question types to choose from. They're choice for multiple choice questions, text for open-ended responses, rating to collect feedback, or date if you want folks to pick a specific day. Great for scheduling. If you click the More Question Types menu, you'll spot options like ranking, super handy for prioritizing items, Likert for agreement scales, and even file upload if you need people to send you documents or images. Don't be afraid to mix and match, and think about what kind of answers will be most useful for your purpose. For example, if you're collecting event signups, you might use choice for selecting meal preferences, date for RSVP deadlines, and maybe a file upload for headshots if you want them. As you build your form, it can quickly get long or cover different topics. This is where sections come in. Adding sections lets you break your form into logical parts so it doesn't feel overwhelming and participants always know where they are. For example, if you're making an employee survey, you might have one section for personal info, another for feedback, and another for suggestions. When you're done adding questions, it's time to preview your hard work. There's a Preview button right at the top. Click it, and you'll see exactly what your respondents will see. It's a great way to double-check that everything flows logically and nothing's confusing. Make any tweaks you need. Don't rush this part. Finally, you're ready to share your form. Hit the Send button, and OneDrive will offer you a shareable link or an embed code if you want to put the form on a website. Share that link through email, your company chat, or even in a newsletter, whatever works best for your audience. And that's it. You've just created a powerful online form in OneDrive, all saved safely in the cloud, and all the responses will land right in your Excel file for easy analysis. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, and if you have questions about any step or want more tips on Forms or OneDrive, let me know in the comments below. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy form building.